Welcome to Archiesense. Loop House is an ambitious project that combines contemporary architectural design with a deep respect for nature. This house is not only a place to live, but also the embodiment of a philosophy of living in harmony with the environment. The design of Loop House is inspired by the sustainable form of nature. The shape of the building that resembles a loop reflects the life cycle and interconnection of everything in the universe. The strategic location of the house and the design that blends with nature make Loop House seem to grow from the surrounding landscape. The lake that is the center of the composition further strengthens the impression of harmony between the building and the environment. Every room in Loop House is designed to provide a stunning view of nature. Residents can enjoy the changes in nature over time, such as sunrise, sunset, and changing seasons. Despite its large size, Loop House appears to blend in with its surroundings. The use of natural materials and minimalist design make this house almost invisible from a distance. This house is raised above the ground to minimize the impact on the environment and create an open space below. Large windows allow natural light to enter and create a sense of spaciousness and openness. The use of natural materials such as stone, wood, and Corten makes the Loop House even more in tune with its surroundings. These materials also have the ability to change over time, so that the house seems to live with nature. Despite carrying the concept of returning to nature, the Loop House is still equipped with modern technology such as solar panels and a smart home management system to provide comfort for its residents. The Loop House is a real example of how modern architecture can coexist with nature. This house is an inspiration for those who want a life closer to nature without sacrificing modern comforts. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this video gives you some new inspiration. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any updates from us. See you in the next video.